Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to give you guys a tip and tricks on how to unclog your toilet. So I was trying to use this dirty plunger that was in the backyard. I was trying to unplug the drain on the backyard, and then has all this soil. By the way, those are not dookie, so don't worry. Just dirt from the soil. So this plunger is not good. The way they designed it is not the other one. I'm trying to show you guys the other end, but you need to do the one that has a sticking out like a extra rubber, the one I have at home, but they don't have it here. And try not to use this kind of auger or to unclog it, because with this spring it's gonna scratch your toilet. I did it last time with a hang crane, and then I scratched on my toilet on the inner. But you could also rub it off with the baking soda or other powder. So yeah, without success, and we're going to go to the Home Depot and buy the correct tool, so we can unclog this and without scratching the toilet. So we had a Home Depot buying the auger, toilet auger. So I got this Husky 3 feet toilet auger, high copper spring wire, resistant rust, safe guy sleeve for easy operation, non-slip handle with the comfort grip, handy clip to secure spring when not in use, lifetime warranty. This is $14.99 plus tax. So let's go and then take this out and get ready to unclog it. And this is a nice, I think it's a TPU rubberized material handle. And then there's this clip right here. You need to clip it. So this part is to protect your toilet, because when you try to grind it or turn it, this thing, the metal, oh shoot, see? Even my hands already got dirty already. So imagine this scraping against your toilet bowl. It's gonna get all scratched up. So we need to use a handle and pull this up, and we're going to insert this to the opening hole on the toilet, and after that I'm going to push it in, and then turn the handle to unclog it. So we're going to insert in there. I can hear the water going down already. I'm gonna go a couple times. Alright, so if I need to unclog it, so gotta go rinse this off in the backyard and then put it away. And you see there are no scratches, no just dirt from earlier when I tried to plunger from the black plunger, making a mark, so I'm gonna clean it up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one always. Peace.